Today I want to talk to you about our lead generation button called Connect with Me. So on your profile you'll notice two buttons, the Save My Contact Card and Connect with Me button. Connect with Me allows users to give you their details and for you to save their details to your phone. So when you tap your card off somebody's phone, this profile will load up on the receiver's phone. Once they hit Connect with Me, you will see this form field loads up requesting their first name, last name, phone number, email, job title, company website address and notes. This is fully customizable and you can take away fields that you don't see relevant to you. So once the receiver puts their details in and hits Let's Connect, you'll receive an email to say you have a new connection. You can save that connection straight to your phone from the email. You can also check all of your connections once you log into TAPiTAG's profile. So once you log into your profile, hit connections and you'll see the full list of connections and people you've connected with via the Connect with Me button. This is a really powerful way for you to receive details back from people that you've connected with.